Hello. Well, I've had such a positive response to my newsletter that I sent out on Tuesday night, where I was quite honest and open about how rubbish I felt and what I was going to do about it, that I thought I'd do something through video. I find that a lot easier. I'm better at doing that than writing. So to introduce myself, I'm Michelle Hughes and I'm a local linocut artist and designer. I've been self-employed for 4 years and I've worked in the design industry for 30 years. It's not me for 6. I've been actually probably really self-isolating, working on loads of new linocut prints for York Open Studios and an exhibition up at Danby. So my sense of purpose has been whipped right from under my feet. I've had to cancel all the workshops going forward or postpone them, let's be positive. But it's really quite challenging times. I don't know where the money's going to come from, but I am in a very fortunate position that I do have a lovely home. I have this lovely studio in my garden. I've got a garden. I can get by. I can live on baked beans if I need to. It's fine. But it is me just paying the bill, so I need to find a little bit of something to find some money. I don't know. Anyway. What I do want to do though is try and inspire you all to be more creative, and to many ways I need you to help me to be creative. There are 70 odd prints around this room that are part finished and I have completely lost my mojo because what's the blooming point? They're not going to be seen by anybody or I can't sell them potentially. Anyway, parking that. So what I plan to do is to do some video content, some tutorials. I don't know, it's all sort of, I've got lots of ideas bubbling around. It may be how to do a lino cut print, it may be top tips on doing it if you already know how to do it, could be how to draw. Tell me what you want and I'll do the best I can. And we'll have to muddle through because I've not really worked with doing video stuff before, so I have no idea. Any help would be extremely grateful. But I do know that taking one step at a time and one day at a time does help. I've been through 4 redundancies and a self-inflicted period of being out of work because of changing circumstance. And it's bloody hard work. It's really hard to keep that motivation, to get up in the morning, to get dressed, to do all that kind of shit. But I've always just, on day 2, put myself straight back out there, ask for help, put word out of what I'm doing. It's amazing what comes through. I've already been completely and utterly overwhelmed by the emails that are in my inbox and I can't stop doing this. I had a phone call earlier where a customer has ordered 2 frame prints. So bear with me in the next few days while I sort myself out and come up with a plan, and I shall try and do little video bits every day or something like that rather than waffle on. So over and out for now and take care. Thank you, bye.